In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoice as sent in Xero. Marking an invoice as sent is a quick way to tell Xero that you've already delivered the invoice to your customer, especially if you emailed it outside of Xero or sent it another way. This helps keep your records tidy, ensures your reports reflect reality, and can enable any automatic reminders you've set up for unpaid invoices. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, open Xero and sign in to your organization so you're on the main dashboard. Make sure you have permission to view and edit sales and invoices. If you don't, you may need to ask an administrator for access. Once you're in, head to the sales area. This is where Xero groups everything related to customer billing and income, so it's the quickest path to the invoices you need. From sales, choose Invoices. This brings up your invoice list with tabs and filters to help you find exactly what you're looking for. You can view drafts, approved invoices awaiting payment, or even paid ones if you're tidying up historical records. Use the search bar, date range, or status filters to narrow the list if you have a lot of invoices. Next, click the specific invoice you want to update. Opening the invoice lets you confirm you're in the right place by checking the customer name, date, and total. If you're working with an approved invoice that's awaiting payment, marking it as sent tells Xero the customer has seen it. If it's already paid, marking it as sent can still be useful for accurate history. On the invoice page, look for the sent indicator or a checkbox labeled sent. Check that box. This doesn't email the invoice. It simply updates the invoice's internal status to reflect that you've already sent it by your own method. You'll typically see a small confirmation or a change in the invoice tags indicating it's been marked as sent. If the box is already checked, you're all set. If you ever need to reverse it, you can return to the invoice and uncheck it. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Marking an invoice as sent can help trigger invoice reminders depending on your organization's settings, and it can clean up your invoicing workflow by showing you what still needs attention. Remember, this action doesn't alter the amount due or the payment status. It only updates the communication status of the invoice. That's all there is to it. You've successfully marked an invoice as sent in Xero, keeping your records accurate and your workflow organized.